Jonathan from Collin, Louisiana, has a question about rotting floors.
He's trying to save his tongue and groove. They're nice looking too. Here they are. There's these nice old antique ones he's got in his house.
That's good.
He really likes them. He says, my home, he says, is 2 to 3 feet off the ground. It's a pier and beam home, and it's open all the way around. There's no subfloor, and the summer moisture, he says, was so bad that the floor is starting to rot. So, he says, I did this. I insulated with R19 with craft facing insulation and used tiger teeth insulation supports to hold it up. The craft paper is facing against the floor. Then I came back and stapled each beam to house wrap with the Tyvek. So Tom, Jonathan wants to know, did he do more harm than good doing that?
We'll find out, but I don't think so.
Okay.
I think you put the insulation in properly. The Tyvek has a high perm rating. If you would have said you'd done it with plastic, then that would have been a whole different answer.
Yeah.
So I think it's going to be okay. Is it going to continue to rot? Well, we're never going to find out till you fall through because you won't be able to see the bottom of it. But you might want to check it in a few months. But I don't think you caused more of a problem. Maybe you helped it a little bit. Why it's rotting, I think you have water under the house and need to look at a drainage system and ventilating under the house better. If that's the case, I don't know what your ventilation system is, but it sounds like too much water under the house.
Well, he says the house is open all the way around.
Then it's probably not ventilation. It could be where water's sitting, and if that's the case, you put some bank sand under there to keep the water from sitting and let it drain away.
Let it drain away. Is this? You have also said at times put the idea of putting a fan in there that has a hydrometer on it or something.
Well, that's fine if it's closed, but if it's open all the way around, there's nowhere to do a fan, so it wouldn't be worth it.
So just grade it and get.
Yeah, I think it's a grade issue.
All right. Well, good luck with that, Julian. Let us know how that turns out. You got a question, send it to us. We'll answer it just like that right here on the videos. Send it us to at HomeShowRadio.com using the Ask Tom form. And by the way, if you subscribe to our channel and click on the little bell, we'll tell you when we post a new one.